This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Can you figure out what is wrong with this code? Ooh, debugging. Help the harvester pick the corn. Okay, so I'm gonna hit run. So it's kind of hard to see when you just hit run, so I'm gonna hit step instead. Step. Okay, so we went west. That makes sense. We went that way. All right, let's hit step again. And we went, uh-oh, that's a tree. I don't think we want to go north yet. Oh, look at this. If we look at the workspace, right now we have 5 blocks out, okay? And they want us to only use 4. So we're supposed to get rid of a block here, all right? Now, I don't think we want to go north. Let me pause and pull this. Let me just make sure this isn't there, so I'm going to hit run again. No, that block is fine. Okay, now let me put this block back. Quapow, uh-oh, I think that's a problem. We don't want to hit the wall. So I'll just put that over here, and let me put these other blocks back, and let's see. Yep, that was it. And that's kind of the process of debugging. You just slowly work through it. Notice now we have 4 out of 4 blocks in use. Pretty cool. Let's keep going.